Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 and as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together and quickly. In the first step, go to search bar, type your CMD, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S. Now we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in chkdsk and hit enter. So this will take few seconds to complete the process. Once done, we need to execute the next command, that will be prompt, prompt, and hit enter. Now type your sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system 32 backslash iframe dot dll and hit enter. Once done, we need to type in sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash okay, I have to do it again, windows backslash system 32 backslash iframe.dll. okay, now hit enter. Once done, type in sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. So this process will take a lot of time, depends upon your computer configuration, and it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. So we need to keep executing this in the background. Till then, just right click on the start icon, select run. Now type your %temp% and hit enter. You will get the multiple files and folders here, so we need to select all the files and folders from here and simply click on delete. Again, do the same process for this one also. I have just deleted the files and folders, so you will not get here anything. So I select all the files and folders from here also and delete all them. Once done, complete this up to the 100% and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.